For this example, we're going to have to pay really close attention to the names of our units because we have some unit forms and we got to make sure that we place them in the right place value column. So for the first number, we have 100 800ths plus 2 ones 4 hundredths. So I notice that I have hundreds, hundredths, hundredths. So let's look at 100. 100, the hundreds column is here. So I'm going to place 100 here. This is hundredths. So I'm going to add my 800ths here. So that's 100 800ths. I'm going to add to that 2 ones. So my ones column is here. 4 hundredths. So hundredths being here. Now I can add my place values. 0 thousandths. I have 8 hundredths plus 4 hundredths. That would be 12 hundredths. Now what do you notice about 12 hundredths? Yeah, that's too many in that place value. You can only have 9 in one column. So if I have more than 9, if I have 10 or more, I've got to bundle them and move them over. So I have 12 hundredths. I'm going to bundle these 10 together. And remember, when you bundle them to bring them over, they're going to become 1/10. So these hundredths are gone. They bundled together and they became 1/10. So I'm going to continue. I don't have any tenths except this one that was bundled over from the hundredths. I have 0 ones and 2 ones. I have 0 tens and 100. So what is that number? Go ahead and pause the video and see if you can figure out what is this number in standard form. So we have only 2 hundredths left after we bundled those 10. We have 1/10 that came over when we bundled those hundredths together. We have 2 ones, 0 tens, 100. So where does our decimal go? You can see it's right here in between ones and tenths. What is the name of this number in standard form? 102 and 12 hundredths.